OpenAI is on the move. This artificial intelligence powerhouse is rapidly expanding. Millions are flocking to its platforms. People are eager to experience the future of AI. OpenAI's growth is remarkable. The company's language models are astounding. ChatGPT, for example, can generate human-like text. It can write poems, code, and even scripts. This technology is transforming how we interact with machines. The possibilities seem endless. This surge in AI development is not without its critics. Some fear the implications for jobs and privacy. Others worry about the ethical dimensions of such powerful technology. These concerns are valid and deserve careful consideration. However, OpenAI's rise also presents incredible opportunities. AI has the potential to solve some of humanity's greatest challenges. From healthcare to climate change, the applications are vast. The key is to harness this power responsibly. The rise of AI presents profound ethical questions. How do we ensure AI is used for good? How do we prevent bias from creeping into algorithms? These are not easy questions to answer. OpenAI acknowledges these concerns. The company is committed to ethical AI development. It has implemented safeguards to prevent misuse of its technology. But more needs to be done. We must establish clear ethical guidelines for AI development. These guidelines should address issues like bias, privacy, and accountability. We need to ensure that AI benefits all of humanity. The ethical implications of AI are complex. We must proceed cautiously and thoughtfully. Open dialogue and collaboration are essential. The future of AI depends on it. OpenAI is not alone in the race to develop cutting-edge AI. Tech giants like Google and Microsoft are hot on its heels. The competition is incredibly fierce. Each company is vying for dominance in this rapidly evolving and competitive field. Google, with its vast resources, is a formidable player in the AI space. Its AI subsidiary, DeepMind, has made groundbreaking advancements in AI technology. Microsoft, too, is investing heavily in AI research and development. It sees AI as the future of computing and innovation. This competition is driving innovation at breakneck speed, pushing boundaries. New breakthroughs are emerging constantly, almost every day. The pace of progress is exhilarating and unprecedented, but it also raises significant concerns. In the rush to innovate, are we sacrificing safety and ethical considerations? Are we considering the long-term consequences of our actions? These are questions we must ask ourselves and address. The legal landscape surrounding AI is complex and evolving. Governments around the world are grappling with how to regulate this powerful technology. Some argue for strict regulations to prevent misuse. Others fear that over-regulation will stifle innovation. OpenAI is calling for responsible AI regulation. It believes that regulation is necessary to ensure AI benefits humanity. The company is working with policymakers to develop appropriate guidelines. Finding the right balance is crucial. We need regulations that protect the public without stifling progress. OpenAI's input is valuable in this process. The legal challenges surrounding AI are significant, but they are not insurmountable. With collaboration and foresight, we can create a regulatory framework that fosters innovation while safeguarding our future. Section 5. A strategic alliance joining forces in the digital galaxy. In a move that sent ripples through the tech world, OpenAI recently announced a major strategic partnership. The company has joined forces with Name of the Company, a leader in industry. This alliance has the potential to reshape the AI landscape. The partnership combines OpenAI's cutting-edge AI technology with Name of the Company's expertise in industry. Together, they aim to develop innovative AI solutions that will specific goals of the partnership. This alliance is a testament to the growing importance of collaboration in the AI field. By pooling resources and expertise, companies can achieve more than they could alone. The potential benefits of this partnership are vast. It could lead to breakthroughs in areas of potential impact. It could also accelerate the development of ethical and responsible AI. Section 6. The future of intelligence, possibilities and perils. The future of AI is full of possibilities. It has the potential to revolutionize countless industries. From healthcare to transportation, the applications are limitless. But this future also holds potential perils. AI's impact on the job market is a major concern. As machines become more intelligent, they threaten to displace human workers. This could lead to widespread unemployment and social unrest. Another concern is the potential for AI to be used for malicious purposes. In the wrong hands, this technology could be used to create autonomous weapons or to manipulate public opinion. The future of AI depends on the choices we make today. We must proceed with caution and foresight. We must ensure that AI is used for good and that its benefits are shared by all. Section 7. OpenAI's impact on education, a paradigm shift. OpenAI's impact on education is already being felt, and its influence is growing rapidly. Its language models are transforming how students learn, making education more interactive and engaging. ChatGPT, for example, can provide personalized tutoring and feedback, adapting to each student's unique needs. This has the potential to revolutionize education, making it more accessible and effective for everyone. Imagine a world where every student has access to a personalized AI tutor, available anytime and anywhere. Imagine a world where AI helps students learn at their own pace and in their own style, catering to individual learning preferences. This is the future that OpenAI is helping to create, a future where learning is more personalized and efficient. But AI is not here to replace teachers. Rather, it is here to assist them. Instead, it will free them from tedious tasks like grading, allowing them to focus on more meaningful interactions. This will allow teachers to focus on what they do best, inspiring and mentoring students, fostering creativity and critical thinking. AI is set to transform education as we know it, bringing about a new era of learning. OpenAI is at the forefront of this revolution, leading the way with innovative solutions. Its technology has the potential to make quality education accessible to all, bridging gaps and breaking down barriers. Section 8. The Creative Singularity, AI and the Arts. The creative potential of AI is just beginning to be explored. Already AI is composing music, writing poetry, and even painting. Some believe that AI could one day surpass human creativity. OpenAI's DALL-E 2, for instance, can generate stunning images from text descriptions. This technology is blurring the lines between human and machine creativity. The rise of AI art raises profound questions. What does it mean to be creative? Can machines truly be creative? These are questions that philosophers and artists will be grappling with for years to come. One thing is certain: AI is transforming the artistic landscape. Whether we embrace it or fear it, AI is here to stay, and its impact on the arts will be profound. Section 9. The Economic Horizon, Jobs, Automation, and the Unknown. The rise of AI is transforming the global economy in unprecedented ways. This transformation brings both opportunities and challenges, reshaping industries and redefining the nature of work. On the one hand, AI is creating new jobs and industries, driving innovation and economic growth. On the other hand, it is automating existing jobs, leading to fears of mass unemployment and economic displacement. OpenAI acknowledges these concerns and is actively seeking solutions. The company is committed to working with policymakers and business leaders to ensure that the benefits of AI are shared by all, fostering a collaborative approach. This includes investing in education and training programs to help workers adapt to the new economy, ensuring no one is left behind. The key to navigating this economic transition is to focus on retraining and upskilling the workforce, providing them with the tools they need to succeed. We need to equip people with the skills they need to thrive in an AI-powered world, emphasizing lifelong learning and adaptability. The economic impact of AI is a complex issue with far-reaching implications for society. But by working together, we can harness the power of AI to create a more prosperous and equitable future, ensuring that technological advancements benefit everyone. Section 10. OpenAI and the Future of Humanity, a Cosmic Perspective. From a cosmic perspective, the rise of AI is but a blip in the vastness of time, a mere moment in the grand tapestry of the universe. Yet, it is a blip with profound implications for humanity, shaping our societies, economies, and even our daily lives. The choices we make today regarding AI development and deployment will determine the course of our future, influencing generations to come. OpenAI's mission is to ensure that artificial general intelligence benefits all of humanity, transcending borders and cultures. This is a noble goal and one that deserves our unwavering support and collective effort. The future of humanity is inextricably linked to the future of AI, intertwining our destinies. It is our responsibility to guide this technology wisely, ensuring ethical considerations are at the forefront. We must proceed with caution, but also with hope, embracing the potential for positive change. The future is not predetermined. It is a canvas waiting for us to paint. It is up to us to create the future we want to see through innovation, collaboration, and vision. A future where AI empowers humanity, solves our greatest challenges, and propels us to new heights of understanding and achievement.